Yeah, welcome to Cosmos Airdrop. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a free platform that you can be able to earn some USDT into your wallet. So today I earned about 15 USDT and I just transferred the token out from my wallet right here. Now, just signing up in this platform will give you about 2,000 gem, and this 2,000 gem you can be able to convert it into dollar. And if you can be able to stay in touch in this video without skipping it, you're going to be earning this exact token that I have right. So what you're going to do is to go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell to stay alerted whenever I post a new video, and don't forget to like this video that you're watching right now. Now let me take you to the step-to-step procedure so that you can be able to claim this token. So as you can see, currently I have about 0.32 USDT right here. Although this is supposed not to be the amount that I should have more, but I went to put a little bit prediction and I lost in the prediction. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to register into this site. But first of all, let's really talk about what this site is all about. Now, this is a cutting-edge blockchain data information platform. So it was founded in about late August about 2017. So this is making it one of the earliest blockchain data information platform. Its mission is to create a neutral and alternative comprehensive blockchain information platform. Now what you actually earn here is daily diamond, like you earn your diamond daily, and visiting in this site also has its profit. Now new users can be able to earn free PHY tokens instantly upon registering, like I said. But that is not all. Inviting friends to join this platform can earn you unlimited extra PHY rewards. Now before we talk about the streamless trading platform of this EFSANE project, I would like you to take you guys to how to register in this platform first. Now we'll go ahead and log out from this platform right away. So once you click on the link on the Telegram group or on down in the description, it's going to take you to a page like this. What you're going to do is to select the country that you are in, whether you are in Afghanistan, USA, France, Germany. All countries can earn from this company. Now you're going to send a verification code to that number, which you're going to confirm it right here. Here is the verification, the invitation code, and you're going to insert a normal password right here. Then it's easy to click on register. So you have to confirm both of the password right here and click on register. So since I've already registered in the password, I'll go ahead and log in right now. So once you have registered, if you go through your profile as a new member, you're going to be seeing this about 2,000 free gem that have been given to you. Although it's frozen, but the available balance that will be given to you should be about 4,000 right here, about 400 right here. But I have about 187 gem token. So your personal center is like your details, where you're going to see the total amount that you have here. As you can see, I haven't unlocked any VIP right here, and I am not participating on any draw commission for now. But for those that are participating on the draw commission, you're going to be earning 40% draw commission, and also within your daily rewards. I'm going to talk about this draw commission after. Let me just tell you the different ways that you can be able to earn money and some features right here. So as you can see, I told you guys that you are going to be seeing about 400 gem token right there, but I have about 187 because of what I did that I said. And right here is 400 gem token that you are going to be seeing right now in your wallet. And this gem token has its own words because it is now in the market. So you're going to see the market price of this gem token, so that whenever you want to withdraw, you can be able to maybe kind of see the price that you have. And in my next video about this platform, it's going to be based on our withdrawal. So let me proceed and check other part of this platform. Let's go right now. So I'm going to personal asset. So personal asset is where you get the rates you have in USDT. Like I told you that this gem is now a market. So look at it right here. So let's just say 2187 gym is equal to 0.3280 in normal market price. So this is it. So the total gym I have right here is about 2000, and this is the official price of it. So you're going to be checking your asset, you're going to be getting your gym daily, and you can check how much you have there. Now let's go for withdrawal. Now to withdraw into this site, I think the minimum withdrawal right here is $10, and we're going to be withdrawing this asset as far as it gets to $10 right here. So for deposit, I won't encourage anyone to deposit right now till we'll make our withdrawal in the next video, and we have a reason to maybe buy the gym token. So another feature right here is the tax center. Now these are different ways that you're going to be earning token through to share your draw to your lucky draw prediction right here, your daily check-in like I told you, and new users registration. So I told you about this new user registration and what you're going to be earning in your everyday check-in. So check it right here. So to share the lucky draw, participate in the lucky draw to easily earn gyms plus enjoy referral rewards. Enter the events page and click the share to get gyms button. By sharing more than 3 times a day, you will immediately receive 100 gym reward when you invited friends participate in the lucky draw. You will also earn 4% of their total participation amount as a bonus. The more you share, the more you earn. Invite your friends and join now. Now the locking draw prediction right here is where I lost my token, like I told you guys. So this simply participation in one of the lottery draws each day and receive 200 gym in the next day. So plus you have a chance to win the massive million gym jackpot. The time is limited. Miss today and you will have to wait until tomorrow. Act now and kickstart your journey to luck. So I just invested some of my gym right here, and I'm expecting to earn more gym tomorrow. Now the daily earning, like I told you guys, you're going to be earning 400 token. So this is simply log into this account every day. You're going to be earning about the 400 gym for free. Now registration, like I told you, like immediately you register, you're going to be receiving 2,000 diamonds, and this 2,000 diamonds is frozen for now. And invite friends to register and earn up to 1,000 diamonds. The more you invite, the more you get more rewards. So I will encourage you guys to start now, right now, and start earning your gym so that you will withdraw in our next video. So stay tuned, make sure that you join us on our Telegram group so that you won't miss any of our updates, including the withdrawal of this video and other ways for you to make money online. Don't forget, this is Cosmos Airdrop. Stay tuned and subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you in the next video, guys.